Oh hey, it's Lovey, and today we're gonna make a cherry pie. I love cherry pie. I love to make cherry pie for the holidays, but this year it didn't work out and I didn't get a chance to. Circumstances beyond my control changed our plans. So I still have the ingredients, and now that the holidays are over, or mostly, I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a cherry pie. It's my favorite. My husband doesn't like it as much as, say, apple or pecan, but you know, I like it. So I'm gonna make it, and I'm sure he'll eat a little bit of it, or I'll just eat all of it. Whatever, however it works out. But anyway, hopefully you'll come along with me and see how I make my cherry pie. And it's super simple. I'm going to use a pre-made filling, but it has no sugar added, and I'll show you which one it is. It's this one right here, and I haven't used this one before, but I did taste it to see how much sugar I might need to add. I like a tart cherry pie, but you know, you need a little bit of sweetness, so I could add something else, maybe some maple syrup or some other kind of sweetener. But we're probably just gonna add a little sugar, and not too much though, because I like it tart. I like it a little zingy, a little peppy, and this stuff tastes pretty good as is with no sugar added. So only 4 sugars total in this as is. So works for me. And like I said, it's my pie, so I can make it how I want. Anyway, come on along with me. Let's see how it goes.
It's just pie, right? Isn't that why they say easy as pie? That saying had to come from somewhere, right? I think.
So I have already buttered my pie dish, and now I'm going to actually put this one, the bottom one, in. This one looks better, so I'm going to use it for the top because I like to do a little bit of embellishment in the top. And if you're an expert at pie making, don't judge me. This is just the way I do it.
I like to do little stars and moons.
I like little stars and moons, so that's how it's going to be, because remember, this is my pie. So I'm going to use these little cookie cutters, and I'm going to save them, the little shapes that I cut out, if I don't mess them up. And I think I let my dough get a little too warm while I was waiting. So I'm going to do a couple of little moons and a couple of little stars. Probably should have done the moon in the middle. And like I said, my dough might be a little bit too warm, but it's okay. Do a couple more little stars. Now, when I made my apple pie for Thanksgiving, I saved the little cutouts. I put a few of them on the pie, but I also made some cookies. It was really cute. Okay, I messed that one up. Messed that little guy right up, but that's okay. We can fix him. My little knife that I normally use, someone has used my special pie cutting knife. I wonder who that was. It wasn't me, but that's okay. We can make do. I have this knife set that my husband bought last year for Christmas for us. We're not crazy about it. These knives, while they're very sharp, they don't cut very well unless it's your skin, which is no fun. But anyway, so this year my daughter gave us a set of knives, which was super sweet of her to do that. And this pie stuff looks kind of funky. I have to add some butter to this. Anyway, so the set she gave us has better knives in it, but it's missing a few things. So now we've got 2 sets, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna use both of them because they each have something I like in them. This one look a little better, a little more gelatinous. Ugh. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this looks kind of funny, but I'm sure once it cooks up. This looks like something you could use at Halloween for some kind of, you know, haunted house sensory experience. It's brains. And I'm going to put a little sugar in here. You know what? I should put some lemon juice. Lemon juice. Don't do this at home. This thing sometimes gets stuck and it hurts me. So we'll just put a little bit in here. Excess right there. I think I'm gonna put a few pats of butter in. This is not healthy. This is not healthy. This is not gonna be a healthy pie. No judging. This is a no judgment zone. It's probably good for that. I'm gonna get some lemon. Thankfully, we always have lemon around this house. Is there a seed in here? No doubt there's a seed. We don't want that in the pie. Probably should have done this part before I put the top on it. Everything we do on this channel is a little bit haphazard. Now, I don't like to use a fork to flute my edges. I like to have kind of a rustic looking pie. Again, if you are a pie expert, don't judge me. Wait until you see the finished results. And it's just for me, so it does not have to be gorgeous, but it has to be cute enough for me. We'll put you right there. Just put a little butter to attach these guys.
there. You can go right here. And a little star can go right here. And then a little star can go right here. Put a little special little moon over here on this edge. Now I do not use eggs, so I'm not going to do an egg wash. I am going to sprinkle a little sugar on it, and later after it's cooked a little while, I will put a little butter on it. Kind of get some of that sugar in here because I know it's probably going to be a little extra tart. And I'm going to do a little more. My little moon looks funny right there, but it is going to be cute when it's done. Trust me, you guys. It's haphazard, but it's going to be cute. So here we go to start off, and I'm going to put it in the oven now. So I cooked it on 400 for a total of 45 minutes. I took the foil off after about 35 minutes and let the edges continue to cook. Thanks for joining me. That's how I haphazardly bake a cherry pie, and I hope that you come along for my next haphazard adventure or project, and be sure to like and subscribe and do something fun or creative today. I forgot to tell you that I wrap the edges with some aluminum foil to make sure that the edges don't burn before the rest of the pie is finished cooking, and then take that off near the end and let those edges get a little brown at that point, and then that way they don't burn. So again, thanks for coming along, and please like and subscribe and come along with me on my next adventure. Have a great day.